Handicap 26 here, just your tips, repairs, and hobbies. And I hope you guys are doing well today. I don't know. This is Legolas, I think his name is. Legolas. I hope I have enough glue here. So we're going to start gluing him together. Let's see, there's a piece in there. This is going to come out, I think. No, I don't know. No. We'll try it anyway. We'll glue them. I don't think we have enough glue. There we go. There's some glue. Put them together. Yeah, I think I have to open up some glue. Hang on, guys. Okay, so we got some glue here, and it's gonna pour out like crazy probably when it's a new glue. I'll put it in there like that. And then his boot goes on an angle like that. That goes like that. And that goes like that. I gotta switch them around. Put them like that. This part goes in here. Like that. Pretty sure. It's not instant glue, but it will dry in time, you know. I'm going to put him down to dry. I forgot to take this this part right here off. This is a support. There we go. Take that off. That's a support. And let's go back to him. Now he's got a cape. See how he isn't dry yet right there. He's got a cape right here. So I'm going to put some glue there. And then it goes in there like that. You want to rush things, and this is what you get, you know. I'm going to cut that piece off. because they say like to notch it, but it's not gonna go that way. We're just gonna put some glue along here. And like this. Like that. I'm gonna have to hold it for a while. I'm making all of these, but for charity, by the way, if you didn't see in the description. So they're all going to charity. They're not unpainted. They're going to charity unpainted. Let's put him to the side, and we've got his other tools here. And I'm going to glue him down. Glue him to his base. That won't work. It says a fast set on the tube, but I'm not getting a fast set on the base here. Put some there and there. Okay. Just put him like that. Get this guy over here. He's good. Let's look at this guy again. Bow goes down here like this, I think. He's drawing the bow, so it goes like that. You know what, guys? I think I'm going to use good old green putty for that, because it'll just keep falling off. So let's get the green putty out. You know I use this all the time. Oh. The scissors. Cut a piece off. You gotta peel the stuff back, the cellophane. There's one. The other one's over here. There's two. Hope you're doing well today. I never watched this movie, you know, and it's I should watch it, really. I did read the book Sword of Shannara, which is, I think, way before this. And they had characters like this in the book, you know. It was a really good book. I read it one summer, and one of my teachers gave it to me to read. I'm surprised he read a fantasy novel like that, you know, like this stuff, you know. He probably loved this movie when it came out. So just take a little piece, roll it into a ball, and stick it in there. Just go like that. Feel his cape coming off. And take another little piece. Yeah, his cape is coming off. Put it in there. I'm going to have to put a little putty in there. Yep. Like that. Yeah, we're having a time here. Lay him down. Some people were making rude comments about and laughing, and I don't appreciate that. You know, when my subscribers laugh at me, kind of makes me kind of sad, you know. This reminds me of doing the model of I forgot that model. What was it called? With the snakes. Got on the shelf over there. Medusa. Sometimes you just got to lay it down and let it set. So that's what we're going to do. And do that. Lay it down and let it set. the video for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Best I could do. I'm going to take a little bit of putty and put it on this arrow. That cape just doesn't want to stay on. There we go. The body keeps opening up. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a little damn glue. It always clogs up. I don't know why, but it always clogs up. It sets in on the nozzle, you know. It's good stuff, but it clogs up really quick. Okay, that's good. Oh, there goes the leg. We're going to set him down for a while. You can't set him down on the cape because that's what's going on with that. We have to put them upside down in a cup. Like this. To let them dry. Okay, so that's the video for today. Damn. That's the video for today, and pissing me off that this is not holding. Support it somehow. How am I going to do that? You know what I'm going to do? When I take the camera off, I'm going to use the arm of the camera to support it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a great day. There it goes again. And please give the thumbs up if you can. Thank you. Bye.
Legolas is all done.